Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW i3 Easy method. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for comfort and visibility, then press the brake and power on. Select drive mode with the gear selector, release the brake gently, and apply light throttle to begin smooth acceleration. Monitor regenerative braking settings and energy display, practice one-pedal driving in a quiet area, and always obey traffic laws. Plug in regularly and plan trips around charging stations to avoid range stress, and use public chargers when needed to extend travel options. Use eco mode and limit heavy climate use to stretch range, and precondition the cabin while plugged in to protect battery life. Learn the energy display to track consumption, keep tires inflated, remove extra weight, and check for software updates that can improve range and efficiency. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well with planning long-term car finances and savings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy if you want smarter money habits. Now let's get back to the video. Master city driving with one-pedal technique by modulating throttle and using regenerative braking to slow the car smoothly, reducing brake wear. For highway driving, maintain steady speed and use adaptive cruise if available to improve efficiency. When parking, use reverse camera and sensors, and engage parking brake on slopes. Practice hill starts to gain confidence with torque delivery, and always remain attentive to pedestrians and cyclists when navigating tight spaces.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.